Good morning, students. Welcome to the class again. Dear students, as you are watching on the screen, today we are going to start our new topic of grammar, that is modals. And students, you are well aware of these modals because you have read about these modals in your previous classes. So, let's we start. What is modal? Modal is a type of auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary means helping verb that is used to express ability, possibility, permission or obligation and mode or attitude of the main verb. So we have some prominent modals here, that is shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, need, dare and used to, etc. These are some prominent models, and in our today's class we will discuss about shall, should, will, would and can, could. So let's start. Firstly, we will discuss about the use of shall. Okay, when we use shall with first person means I or we, it expresses future. For example, I shall go to see him tomorrow. And second example is shall we go for a walk. And secondly, shall can be used with the second and third person, means you, she, he, they, etc., to denote command, promise, threat, determination or certainty, etc. For example, you shall not come here again. It is expressing command. And second example is he shall be punished for his misbehavior. It is expressing threat. Now we can also use shall to seek permission also. For example, shall I use this pen? So this sentence is expressing permission. Now we will discuss should. Should is used to express obligations, moral duty, advice or recommendation. For example, we should obey our parents. It is expressing our moral obligation, our moral duty. And second example is you should consult a good doctor. It is expressing advice or recommendation. And the second use of should is used after conjunction lest to express purpose. For example, walk carefully lest you should fail. So in this way we can use should. Now we will discuss about the use of will. When will is used with second or third person, for example you, she, he, they, etc., it denotes simple future. For example, my father will leave for England tomorrow. It is denoting simple future. And second example is they will play a match in the evening. It is also denoting simple future. And when we use will with first person, that is I or we, it shows promise, threat, determination or certainty, etc. For example, I will help you in this matter. It is showing promise. And second example is we will fight for our country. It is expressing determination. So in this way we can use will. Now we will discuss the use of would. Would is the past form of will and it is used to express future tense in past in the indirect speech. For example, the teacher said that he would punish the naughty boys. And second use of would is it is used to express past habits or customary actions. Past habits or customary actions. For example, in winter we should study late at night. So it is expressing the past habits. And next use of would is also used to express polite request or an unreal condition. For example, would you lend me your book please? This is expressing polite request. Would that I were young again. So this sentence is expressing unreal condition. So in this way we can use would. Now we will discuss the use of can and could. Firstly, can is used to denote present ability and informal permission and possibility. For example, my younger sister can drive a car. It is expressing present ability. And second example is you can sit in my lawn. So this is expressing permission, informal permission. He can come anytime and it is expressing possibility. Okay. Now could. Could is the past form of can and it is used to express ability in past Ability in past means past ability, and polite request also. For example, I could swim when I was 5. It is expressing past ability. And the second example is, could you lend me some money for a month? It is expressing a polite request. So in this way we can use the modals can and could. Dear students, I hope you have understood the use of can, could, shall, should and will, would very well. And after this a worksheet will be sent to you. Do that worksheet carefully and properly. Thank you very much.